Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial on how to use Scratch. So today we're gonna make a story. So let's jump in. So what the story will involve is that we'll have sprites. That's the main thing. And then how a story works is that you place code blocks and then the sprites will make, say, dialogues, which we'll make by using wait blocks. When the other sprite is done speaking, then the other sprite will start speaking. So, we're going to recreate that in Scratch. So, let's jump in. First, we're going to delete the default sprite, sprite 1. Are you sure you want to delete the sprite? Click yes. Then head on to choose a backdrop. You'll have all these options. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna use the field at MIT's backdrop. Now that we have chosen the backdrop, so what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna choose field at MIT. So just scroll down and there you go. Field at MIT. This one we're gonna use. Now that we've got the field at MIT backdrop, we're gonna go to backdrops, click on this. You'll see you have two. Delete field at MIT 2, delete backdrop 1, and now there you go. We have the backdrop of field at MIT. Next, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna head on to choose a sprite. You have these. So which ones we're gonna use, you might be asking? We're gonna use cars. So city bus, then we're just gonna scroll down and click on city bus. There you go. Then delete the duplicate. We're gonna set the size of 80. Delete the 4, then 80. Alright, 70 is enough. Next, we're going to go back to choose a sprite. And then we're going to bring convertible or convertible 2. So, for the sake of this project, we're going to use convertible. There's a cool technique here to reverse the left. It's named left right. Now you have the convertible facing the opposite side. Now that we're done, next we're gonna program these sprites. So, we're gonna make a funny one here. So when green light clicked, I'll zoom in so you guys can see. When green light clicked, then we're gonna head on to looks and say hello for 2 seconds. Then, once we're done with that, we're gonna replace hello with something funny. But before that, we should switch the backdrop. We should set it to a bedroom, because the convertible is the bus's friend. So, bedroom 3. Now you got them going. I'm gonna place the bus over here on the bed. But basically they'll be watching something on the floor. Now that we've done that, we are going to get a laptop sprite. So, you can search it up here. Laptop. There it is, laptop. The laptop is right there on the bed. The bus is sitting right here, watching. And the convertible sitting up there. So what is going on here is that first what we're going to do is when the green flag clicked, then what we're going to do is first it will hide. I'm going to click on ring hide. By then the friend comes, the bus will be watching something on the laptop. So in order to make that feeling, we're going to head on to costumes and use the costume editor. And here we're going to write something funny on the screen. Best meme ever. Now that we're done, basically the bus is watching something here, which is the something over here. And then, now it's hidden. He's hidden. So what we're going to do now is the bus is going to say something. Yo, friend. Come here. Then the convertible is going to listen. And then we're going to bring a wait block. Set it to 2 seconds. and we're gonna put it show. Now that we're done with that, then we're gonna make it say something. It's gonna say what row after 2 seconds. Then it's gonna say another thing. Then cool memes. Let's watch. And then after 2 seconds, then we're gonna say another thing. It's gonna say okay. And then the laptop will say hello, I'm ancient laptop. I am an an ancient laptop. That's what it's gonna say. And then we're gonna bring another sprite and use the mom. So in order to get the mom, we're gonna use this cat sprite. This cat is gonna be the mommy sprite. Set it to -90. Then go to the costume editor. Delete cat B. And then make it like pinkish, like pale yellow. I'm gonna make it green. basically, this is not the mommy cat. This is zombie cat. Typical zombies are green. Then, basically, for the zombie cat, we are going to bring when green flag clicked. After 2 seconds, control, wait 2 seconds, and then it's gonna show. But before, instead of show, it's gonna be hiding. And then it's gonna say something. Well, we're gonna make it the weirdest cat ever by putting a forever loop. Now, instead of zombie cat, we're gonna name it crazy cat. After that, we are going to make the bus and convertible say ah in surprise. Wait 2 seconds. Say something. Two seconds again. Looks. Say. Then after 2 seconds, attach it to the save block. And then crazy cat. So we have repeat loops that we can basically a very long number. Then we're gonna make it say something. Your food and then after that we're gonna make it much funnier because spice up the funniness. After 2 seconds, which is exactly the duration when the crazy cat says, then looks we are boiled potato. Then, after when the bus says, which is 2 seconds, run. Now, let's test it out. So, Green's like, your friend. Okay. What the heck? There's a problem here. The crazy cat is basically like after 2 seconds it's showing. So when the laptop should wait until the convertible goes to the laptop, and then it's gonna say. So until the convertible comes here, 2 seconds, and then 2 seconds is gonna come back here. So it's gonna wait 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Then after 2 seconds, after they're watching, Garrett is gonna come back. But we have a problem in the costume. Basically, this part should be white. Now that we have white, there you go. But we're almost not done yet. Basically, this should repeat not this many times. It should repeat just 9 times. Then we're gonna put this here. And then and then when the crazy cat appears, it's not gonna wait for 2 seconds. It's gonna wait 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So after okay, So if we do back, do 4, 6, 8, 10. After 10 seconds, you're just gonna say, okay. 12 seconds. After 12 seconds, the cat will appear. So for crazy cat, we're gonna put 1 also. With 12 seconds. And then we're gonna put 12 here. And then for the convertible, we're gonna put 12. For the bus too, 12 seconds. Then now we're gonna now we're gonna check. Yo friend, come here. What, bro? They're watching. And then after 12 seconds, this guy appears. What, bruh? What the heck? And then after after 2 seconds, but the problem is that the cat appears before these guys even realize. So 12 seconds is not enough. These guys should see it earlier. So 10 seconds is enough. 10 seconds. And 10 seconds. Same for the laptop. Yo, friend, come here. What, bro? Okay. They're watching. But there's still some problems. The cat basically goes much earlier. So we're gonna make it wait 10 seconds. And instead of a forever loop, we're just gonna put a change color effect. And then we're gonna place the convertible right over there. Since there's no space for the bed, the convertible will be sitting over here, the bus sitting over here. And then instead of bruh for the laptop, we're gonna say run. Yep, 9 seconds is enough. 5. Okay. Then after that, once it says your food, Before we do that, let's take a run. Yo, friend, come here. What, bro? Okay. We're watching. But there's still problems here, especially runtime. So, after it says 10, it should say it earlier. So 9 seconds. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. Yep. Now let's test. Yo, friend, come here. What, bro? Okay. They're watching. But it still comes a bit later. The scratch cat comes earlier than these two guys realize. So, we're gonna make these guys realize it after 8 seconds. Convertible, 8 seconds. Laptop, yeah, laptop will stay the same. Yo, friend, come here. What, bro? Okay. Watching. Watching your food. There's no need for to say I'm an ancient laptop and 4 seconds. I'm just gonna place this. But still the cat comes earlier. We could put 4 seconds. And then wait 1 second. And then hide. And then wait 1 second. Looks. Hide. The laptop. Wait. Hide. Now let's check. The convertible has problems though. Now the bus is disappearing earlier than the convertible. So what we're gonna do now is that seven seconds. What the heck? No, let's restart. After it's hidden, it should show. Show. Okay. So it did start it over. You see there's a pattern. The watching. Laptop says first. Then the bus just runs off while the convertible is still completing its script. After that, you could put it to 5 seconds. Now let's try again. They're watching. Wait 1 second, and then looks. Then after 2 seconds, we're gonna wait 1 second. And then we're gonna make it show. And then looks. Wait 1 second and then hide. And then go to control. Wait 1 second. Show. Save block. Now let's see. The cat appearing as your mom. We should definitely make it wait much more seconds. So after it hides, it's gonna wait 1 second, 2 seconds basically. Then it's gonna show. So basically this is gonna wait the 2 seconds until they show. Two. Alright, now let's try. We're just gonna keep this pattern. And then we're gonna do something here. After that, we're gonna make a sound for the convertible. Very good. Choose a sound. Car room. Then we're gonna use the car room for this one also. Now let's check it out. They're watching. And there's no way to make them both come at the same time. So you could tweak the block order. Let's try like this. So now we have this pattern. But after this, then wait 1 second. Make it to 2 seconds. And then it's gonna say, I'm your mom again. So we're gonna duplicate this. What row? Now that they're watching, it did not say I'm your mom. So we're gonna make it wait 4 seconds. Now they're watching. Laptop tells them to run. And then make it wait 2 seconds. And then we're gonna make it say transfer it to the convertible. From the convertible to the laptop. For the cat, we're gonna make it 5 seconds. Yo, friend, come here. What, bro? Convenience, let's watch. Okay. The laptop did not reappear. So, we're gonna make it show before it says, bruh. Now they're watching the memes. Then the laptop should say it for, hold it for 5 seconds. Now let's see. Basically, we're tinkering with the weight blocks. So the cat, it should be a bit more delayed for 6 seconds, no, 7 seconds. Now let's try. They're watching. The sprite comes. The laptop still comes up pretty late. So we're gonna make it 7 seconds as well. They're watching. Laptop should be delayed to 9 seconds. You know what? 10 seconds. And then delay it more. 12 seconds. Watching. Laptop tells them to run. Did both disappear? Now the convertible is saying it last. Make it 12 seconds too. Now they're gonna say it all together. Okay, and then what laptop tells them to run? Ran, did back. But the bus is literally synchronized with the laptop, even though it's 12 seconds. So maybe if we do 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2 pattern. No. Disappeared. Convert will still sing it late. Right. Now let's see if this works. The laptop is maybe the raw statement for the laptop is useless. So the show blocks are useless. No. Cat then waits and then says food is ready. And then after 1 second, looks okay. Mom. Then these two get transferred to the convertible. Now let's see the complete version. Let's replay that. the bus is literally not saying it earlier than the verb. So bus should wait 2 seconds and 2 seconds. What the heck? Okay, so while they're saying bruh, then mom cat says food is ready. So cat should wait for approximately 5 seconds. But we should now make him say it 4 seconds later. There you go. We did it. Next, what we're gonna do is they are gonna hide. Oh, because now they're dashing to the kitchen. So we're gonna bring hide. Hide. Laptop's gonna stay there. And then hide. Now if we check, they're watching. Wait, let's try again. Because I saw a text message. And the message over there. Oh, it was run. And then we're gonna paint a backdrop. Delete field at MIT. And then we're gonna paint a backdrop. And then we're gonna make it say the end. the end. There you go. Then we're gonna make it a black one, a black fill. Backward. Set it to the end. Then now we need the laptop to hide. Then we're gonna bring an if statement. Then a forever loop. Then we're gonna make the laptop hide. So 2, 4. 4 seconds. Four seconds. Hide. Then we're gonna go to backdrops. Then when green flag clicked, control, then 4 seconds, 8, 12, 14. So after 14 seconds, it is going to switch backdrop to the end. So now if we do that, a problem. So from the beginning, what we're going to do is that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So this is going to wait 40 seconds. 40. You're not doing this. There's a problem, another one. We're gonna make it switch that drop to plot. That's gonna make it better. The laptop hides. This is going to be 38 seconds. So, almost there. Laptop still hasn't disappeared yet. So, we're gonna make it 28. Let's check. They're doing the script. Disappeared. They're back. The laptop still hasn't disappeared yet. And there you go. And the end screen is there. So, basically, now we have made a fully functional story, ranging from it first shows, then says your friend, and then when he does this whole script, the convertible is doing the same thing too. Then once they are done, the laptop script is perfectly simple. After that, it hides, then the end screen shows up, which is the end. So, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you smash that like button and the subscribe button, and smash that notification bell if you want more videos like this. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!